Welcome, crypto enthusiasts and gamers alike, to a groundbreaking exploration into the world of cryptocurrency gaming. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 crypto games that have the potential to revolutionize your income, possibly even changing your job or earning you up to $150 a day. In recent years, the intersection of gaming and cryptocurrency has birthed a new era of digital entertainment, where players can not only immerse themselves in captivating virtual worlds, but also earn real-world rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. Imagine turning your passion for gaming into a lucrative source of income, where every quest completed, item crafted, or opponent defeated contributes to your financial success. From the bustling metropolises of virtual reality to the vast expanses of blockchain-powered landscapes, these games offer endless opportunities for adventure and profit. But which ones stand out from the rest? Which games have the potential to elevate your earnings to new heights? For those craving adrenaline-fueled thrills, there's Crypto Racers, a fast-paced racing game where players can wager cryptocurrency on high-octane races across futuristic tracks. With its sleek graphics and adrenaline-pumping gameplay, Crypto Racers offers both excitement and profit potential. Last but not least, Crypto Warriors immerses players in epic battles set in a fantasy realm, where warriors clash for supremacy and wealth. By participating in battles and completing quests, players can earn valuable loot and cryptocurrency rewards, forging their path to glory and riches. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrency, these games offer an unparalleled opportunity to turn your passion into profit. So, gear up, sharpen your skills, and embark on an adventure where every move you make could lead to financial success in the exciting world of cryptocurrency gaming. Number 5. Nyan Heroes. Nyan Heroes emerges as a leading force in the crypto gaming sphere, blending competitive gameplay with blockchain technology. Similar to Overwatch, it plunges players into intense multiplayer battles within futuristic arenas. However, Nyan Heroes sets itself apart by integrating cryptocurrency rewards, potentially transforming gaming into a lucrative pursuit. Players assume heroic roles with distinct abilities and weapons, engaging in fast-paced battles for team victory. Its captivating visuals and strategic depth offer an immersive experience akin to top-tier titles. Yet, its blockchain-powered economic model revolutionizes gaming. Through Nyan Heroes, players earn cryptocurrency for in-game achievements, from securing objectives to eliminating foes. This play-to-earn model not only incentivizes skill, but also monetizes gaming passion. For enthusiasts, Nyan Heroes signifies more than entertainment. It's a pathway to financial independence. With dedication, players can earn up to $150 daily. Number 4. Arcus Champions. Arcus Champions emerges as a pioneering force in the crypto gaming landscape, particularly within the realm of third-person shooter (TPS) games. This innovative title offers players a thrilling blend of intense combat, strategic gameplay, and blockchain integration, setting the stage for both exhilarating experiences and potential financial gains. In Arcus Champions, players step into the shoes of formidable champions, endowed with unique abilities and armed to the teeth, engaging in adrenaline-fueled battles across diverse arenas. Drawing inspiration from popular TPS games, Arcus Champions delivers fast-paced action and strategic depth, captivating players with its immersive gameplay and stunning visuals. What truly distinguishes Arcus Champions is its integration of cryptocurrency rewards, revolutionizing the gaming experience. Through a play-to-earn model powered by blockchain technology, players have the opportunity to earn cryptocurrency for their in-game accomplishments. Whether it's securing objectives, outmaneuvering opponents, or mastering their champion's abilities, every action within the game translates into potential earnings. Number 3. Rumble Kong League. Rumble Kong League emerges as a dominant force in the realm of crypto gaming, particularly within the niche of basketball-themed titles. This innovative game offers players a unique fusion of sports simulation, strategic management, and blockchain integration, creating an immersive experience that not only entertains, but also holds the potential for significant financial rewards. In Rumble Kong League, players assume the role of team managers, tasked with assembling and coaching a roster of skilled basketball players to compete against other teams in electrifying matches. Drawing inspiration from the excitement of real-world basketball leagues, Rumble Kong League delivers realistic gameplay mechanics and captivating visuals, providing players with an authentic sports experience within a virtual environment. What sets Rumble Kong League apart is its incorporation of cryptocurrency rewards, transforming the game into a platform where players can earn real-world income for their managerial prowess and strategic decision-making. Through a play-to-earn model powered by blockchain technology, players have the opportunity to generate cryptocurrency rewards based on their team's performance, player development, and success in league competitions. Number 2. Golden Tides. Golden Tides emerges as a standout contender in the realm of crypto gaming, particularly within the highly competitive genre of multiplayer online battle arena (MOBA) games. This groundbreaking title offers players an immersive blend of strategic gameplay, team dynamics, and blockchain integration, presenting not only thrilling gaming experiences, but also the potential for significant financial rewards. In Golden Tides, players step into the roles of powerful heroes, each endowed with unique abilities and tasked with battling against rival teams in fast-paced, action-packed matches. Drawing inspiration from popular MOBA titles, Golden Tides delivers intense strategic gameplay, where teamwork, skillful execution, and tactical decision-making are crucial for victory. Number 1. Metalcore. Metalcore emerges as a leading contender in the realm of crypto gaming, particularly within the expansive genre of open-world first-person shooter (FPS) games. This innovative title offers players a captivating blend of immersive gameplay, expansive environments, and blockchain integration, providing not only exhilarating gaming experiences, but also the potential for significant financial rewards. In Metalcore, players find themselves thrust into a sprawling open-world environment teeming with danger and opportunity. Armed to the teeth with an arsenal of weapons and gadgets, players embark on adrenaline-fueled missions, engaging in intense firefights, exploration, and resource gathering. Thank you for tuning in to our exploration of the top 5 games that have the potential to transform your passion for gaming into a lucrative source of income, possibly even earning you up to $150 a day. From the adrenaline-fueled battles of Nyan Heroes to the strategic team dynamics of Golden Tides, each game offers a unique blend of entertainment and financial opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or someone looking to dive into the exciting world of crypto gaming, these titles represent the forefront of innovation in the industry. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, with dedication, skill, and a bit of luck, you could be on your way to reshaping your career and earning potential through crypto gaming. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on gaming, cryptocurrency, and financial empowerment. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Until next time, keep gaming, keep earning, and keep chasing those dreams.